Hi, I'm William Hayes. I am part of the conference that we're attending right now at lunch break. I have been a drone pilot for about a year now, but I really went gung ho with it. I've been so excited about drones. So I ended up buying a B-Wine drone, one of the F7. Started with that, and I was addicted quickly to what a drone could do. And history of being a private pilot and a flight surgeon before that with the Air Force, and so I just got into it gung ho and ended up getting the Mavic 3 Pro and the FPV drone. I've just gotten about every drone from DJI that I can think of. Anyway, I ended up getting my Part 107 license just a few months ago, and now I need to take that first step forward. I want to be successful, so that's why I came to Drone Command. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm very excited about it, and look forward to what the future holds starting this coming Monday. I'm going to give it a shot. So thanks again. We'll talk at you tomorrow. Hi, this is William Hayes, and this is day 2 of the lecture conference. We're at the end, towards the end of it, but I thought I'd better get in my testimony on how I came to fall in love with FPV, first-person view flying. It takes your drone flying to a whole new level, and being a pilot at heart and an actual pilot, a private pilot, that just seemed like a natural step for me to be able to feel like I'm flying the FPV. My favorite so far is the DJI FPV drone. I also have some other freestyle drones. I think I have reached a max speed of 104, so I guess technically that's speeding, but it was very brief and not intentional, but certainly was a lot of fun. Um, uh, well, perhaps it was partially intentional. I want to be honest, but anyway, I haven't found anything that I love to do better than to do the first-person view flying. Um, other than that, I'm looking forward to getting started in the drone business. I plan on doing some going out in the field and giving it a shot on Monday, this coming Monday. So I will give some feedback to let you guys know how it went. Thank you. Appreciate you all for all that you're doing. I'll probably become a Sky Eye member at some point in the future, but right now I just need to get some money put back to do that. So thank you. Take care. Hello. Hi, this is Bill Hayes again, day 3, and excited about what we're going to learn today. In fact, I think today is probably the most critical day. I'm looking forward to getting that step-by-step instruction. But thank you for providing Drone Command. It's been an incredible blessing. I'm starting Monday. I've got my business email address set up and moving forward, and we'll be taking the first step of faith on Monday. So William Hayes is my name. I'm from Cibolo, Texas. I've lived here since 2017. I'm active duty military, still active, recovering from surgery. Currently, right now, it's why a little bit out of regulation with my with the hair growth. And I've loved drones. It's a passion of mine. I've only done it for a year, but I have somewhere in the neighborhood of 20 drones, most of them DJI. I do have some Holy Stone and Ruco, and started out with a Ruco actually, and kind of fell in love with it and what it could do. And then our first person view then is just my favorite, as we talked about in the last one. So I decided to come to Drone Command Live because I wanted to, I'm in that transition period, about to retire here in about a year and a half, but I'm going to try to do a slow ramp up so I can do some weekends with real estate, and looking forward to doing that. It'll build my confidence, get everything slowly ready, like websites and um, all that good stuff. And looking forward to changing my life and doing something different. I'm a physician by trade, but I'm ready to fly drones and make money doing that. And thank you for that opportunity. My what is my biggest takeaway from the event, and how that helped create positive results? Um, the whole event is positive and upbeat. Um, Greatest thing from the event, the confidence and the know-how, and just giving me the ability to uh, make that decision. How do I step forward? I've already got my Part 107. I'm ready to go. I've got all the equipment. I've got the license. I'm ready to start working and make that happen. And you guys did that for me. What was great about attending virtually, and how did being online help you have a transformational experience? Online was most cost-effective way to do it. It's comfortable. Uh, there was a little bit of an issue dealing with the tech. I was the one person that had problems getting into um, the actual conference day one, but your tech team was great and moved hell and high water basically to get it done for me. Um, Otherwise, it was just a great experience, and I like feeling like we were front row. Every single one of us had a front row seat, and had the best experience possible, I think, using the virtual method. So, what would you say to someone who is on the fence about attending Drone Command Live? Man, you've just got to do it, because sometimes taking that first step is the hardest thing in the world to do, getting started. And that's exactly what Drone Command Live will help you do, is learn and have that come to moment of, yeah, I can do this. And I have someone who's backing me up and who can help me make it happen. And that's exactly what Drone Command Live does. What is one of the most important or valuable lessons you learned that you will be able to implement rapidly and get results? Um, that is knowing how to talk to my customers and focusing on what they want, not what they need or what I care about. And that was probably the most valuable thing. Anyway, thank you. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you soon.